Welcome to SNU. I am Dr. Shomshubha Thakur Choudhury, the head of the Department of Biotechnology. Now, in this department, Biotechnology and Microbiology, they are lab-based department. In the practical courses, you will come to different instruments in the lab and to handling this instrument, to get equipped with this instrument are very important. Now, in SNU, in our department, we have different labs based on their specification. Let's come to the two specialized lab. One is animal cell culture lab, where we culture the animal cell lines. And another is plant cell culture lab, where we culture the plant cells. And this is all huge equipment support that you will get in the SNU.
Here in our Department of Microbiology and Department of Biotechnology, you all will have the opportunity to work with high-end instrumentation facilities that we have, which is immensely important for all the microbiological and biotechnological applications. My dear students, it is your time now to explore, question, learn, and grow your skills. We are extremely happy to have you join in our academic family. My dear students, you all are welcome to the Department of Microbiology and Department of Biotechnology, and let's explore our academic journey together. Hope to see you soon in the classrooms. Thank you so much.